Good morning, friends. GK chapter 5 Indian Prime Minister. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to be learn about some Prime Minister. Okay, who was the head of India. So, India, as you know, it is the biggest democratic country. So, people selected their representative, and this representative is served for India. Okay, so here some pictures are given, and according to that pictures you can find the person, you can identify the person. Clear? Okay, so first of all we'll start from first picture, which is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As we know that he is a great leader from Congress. He is the first Prime Minister born on November 14, 1883. Okay, so second one is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. Third one, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the Indian politician of the nation Congress. She was the first and day only the female Prime Minister of India. Fourth one, Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai, born on 29 Feb 1896, was an Indian independent activist and served between 1977 and 1979 as a 4th PM. So he was a 4th PM. Now, fifth one, Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar was an Indian politician who served as the 8th PM of India. Rajiv Gandhi was an Indian politician who served as the 6th PM of India. Sorry, this is not VP. This will be his VP Singh. VP Singh was an Indian politician who was the 7th Prime Minister of India from 1989 to 1890. 8th one, Chandra Singh. 9th one, VP Narasimha Rao. VP Narasimha Rao, born on 28 June, was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the 9th Prime Minister of India. 10th one, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an Indian statesman who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. So he was a great leader, as we know. 11th one, H.D. Deve Gowda is an Indian politician who was the 11th Prime Minister of India from June 1996 to 21 April 1997. Okay, and these 3 is for homework. You have to identify the picture and you have to identify the name. You can take the help box.